Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of contacts not syncing on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to the sign of Telegram as you see, and you will click here in this page. Then in this page of app info we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.